Today we are going to edit a scene in Premiere Pro. So let's begin. So the first thing we are going to do, we're going to create a new project. I'm going to call it scene editing trial. Choose the location. I want us to save our project. Skip. Alright, now we are in the sequence. Now if you are a beginner, this is how Premiere Pro looks like the first time you open it. So what we are going to do now, we're going to import our footage, the one that we want to edit. We're going to edit this scene. Now the first thing you're going to see is that I have already sorted my footage. So this is scene 7 of a project that I am currently working on. Scene 7. So in scene 7, in the folder you can see I have cam 1. It was shot using one camera, a red Komodo. So camera 1, I have my footage there, and then I have my sound on a separate folder, because as you know, sound is recorded separately. So this is my sound. So now I'm going to import the whole folder in Premiere Pro. Now this is my way of doing it. I prefer exporting the whole folder. There are other ways you can do it. You can use the media browser in Premiere Pro and search for the folder, but I prefer dragging the whole folder. I find it easier and time convenient. So I have my folder here, or my bin as you call it in Premiere Pro. So now we open the bin, the camera 1 bin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots here. So we can't use this one because they never rolled. So we can just go ahead and remove it, we delete it. So this is the good take, the close-up, and then you have the close-up of the lady, the best take. This is the best take. So we can also get rid of this one. So now we have 3 shots: a close-up of the guy, a close-up of the lady, and a wide shot. We're going to drag all of them in the timeline. We start with this one, and now you don't have to worry about the sequence settings. Premiere Pro automatically creates a sequence based on the settings of your video. My footage is 4K, so if you go back to the project panel here and you check the sequence settings, yeah, you can see my settings here. So editing mode is custom. So what that means is that whatever footage you drag in the timeline first, Premiere Pro will create a sequence based on those settings in the video. So in my case, my video is a 4K video, 4096 by 2160, 24 frames per second. That's how it was shot. My sequence automatically will have the settings of the video. So okay, it's a 4K, it's a 4096 by 2160.